Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google partner company. And I provide different Google Ads solutions. In case if you need help with your digital marketing, Google Ads audit, setup, or management, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us, the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. So now let's move on to the question I have today, and the question is best metric to decide on top performing keywords in Google Ads. Okay, I'm attempting to learn PPC before applying for some junior positions and have found a data set online I'm trying to analyze. It has standard columns like the keyword themselves, impressions, clicks, CTR, average cost per click, total cost, conversion, cost per conversion, and conversion rate. For those who don't know, when they run, they see some data like this over here. So he is talking about this data like clicks, average CPC cost per conversion, conversion rate, and everything over here. So, what would be the best metric to use to determine the top performing keywords, specifically from the PPC point of view? I think I did be looking at the CTR as the content of the page and hence how it affects conversions. Would it be up to me? But some of the rules have low impressions clicks, so I think I would want to exclude those even though they might have a high CTR, as ultimately I don't think I consider them top performing if the ads aren't reaching my audience. Am I correct? What should I be looking? Any and all help will be appreciated. Okay, thanks for asking. This is a very good question, and for learning Google Ads or insights of PPC, this may be very helpful for you. Okay, now the question is you are looking on CTR. Okay, CTR is you are looking at the keyword point of view, but you forgot one thing as that Google Ads works according to the fundamental algorithm, which is the quality score on which Google Ads work. And on the quality score, the CTR plays a crucial role. And remember, higher the CTR means lower the CPC or lower the cost per click you have to pay. And if you optimize your quality score, you can even pay half of the amount of what your competitors are paying and still rank better than them. So the fundamental phenomena of quality score relies on CTR. So we can never ignore CTR. CTR plays a crucial role in campaign optimization of Google Ads. And in those scenarios where your CTR is high and you are not generating sales, it means that there is a problem with your landing page, there is a problem in your checkout issue, or there is a problem in your ad intent does not match with your landing page, or there is a problem in the keyword intent doesn't match with the ad and ad doesn't match with the landing page. So the whole procedure could be in trouble if you just ignore the CTR. So we cannot ignore CTR in any way. CTR plays a crucial role and gives a lot of number in quality score algorithm. So CTR has its own value. Now for the keyword, you are want to find the top performing keywords. Okay, you need data. Okay, it doesn't like if you got a single click and you got one conversion, this cannot decide if a keyword is working well or not. You have to give them time, you have to give them time. Again, another theory is that sometimes for some businesses, there are specific days, specific hours of the day when their sales are high. So what does the keyword has to do? On the other time, the keyword doesn't perform well, but on those times that keyword is working well. So the idea is to find the right time for the right keyword to work on. That's not doesn't the theory. And then the location also plays a role. For instance, one keyword is working well in a one location, and in other location that keyword isn't bringing sales, doesn't bring in traffic. So the rules is the keyword doesn't work anymore. No, the rules may vary. So you cannot alone decide on keywords and what's working well. And you have to look on your analytics, and then you have to look on your competitor ads, how they are trying to track. If you ask me, it's a combination. Not only the keywords, plays the role, but the whole strategy. The whole strategy is perfect ad with perfect account campaign structure with perfect keyword plus right time, right day, plus right device, plus right landing page, first of all right offer, plus right landing page. That is a winning combination. And even though that may needs optimization as well over the time, because people gets bored, so you need to optimize, you need to continuously trying and improve. This is what about marketing is. So there is no point of satisfaction in marketing ever. It's always about struggling, striving for improvement, and that is how we come into the perfect working campaign. And that is the theory. So I hope you liked my answer on the top performing keywords, and the idea on how you can figure out the best metrics to decide on top of it. I think I gave you some of the ideas. I hope you like my strategy of perfect ad with perfect account to structure plus keyword plus right time plus right day plus right device plus right offer plus 12 right training. This works a charm. But again, keeping an eye on competitors is also important, and keeping an out what's working for well for them, and that can open you new opportunities for you as well. And keep on trying and testing. This is what marketing is about. So I hope this answers your question. In case if you need a professional with Google Ads audit set for management, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Do hire us through the link in the description. Take care and bye bye.